Another day on the more comfortable side. We had some very light winds yesterday. Temperatures were a little on the cool side of the 30s, but it was nice to get a break from wind. Now today, the other way around. We get some wind, but also much more warmth. And for us today, we're looking at the possibility of reaching 50 degrees. Beautiful imagery from yesterday's. Some bales of hay, some sunshine, just a couple of thin cirrus clouds. We'll have a few more of those today. This is a picture from just outside of Rochester. Tim Blades sent it the picture. He's got a very pretty scene at the tail end of our Tuesday. Beautiful sunset there. And this morning we'll have a beautiful sunrise. I have no doubt of just a few thin clouds overhead, but more sun than clouds expected. And as we move along through the day, those winds that are with us already this morning are going to help us reach the 50-degree range. Already this morning, we've been seeing temperatures climbing. This is a look northward with our Lewiston auto camera. 33 right now in Rochester, 34 in Austin, 32 in Charles City. We started at midnight right around 30 degrees. Temperatures have been slowly edging their way up with those winds slowly increasing as well. 23-mile-per-hour winds, 21 the wind chill index. Air pressure is falling rapidly. 32 right now. The current wind speed in Rochester gusting to 32 anyway. Mankato 28. Algona 28 miles per hour. So a lot of wind out there already. At times we'll see those winds, I think, top out around 35, maybe 36 miles per hour. There's that very thin canopy of cirrus clouds overhead, but the very thin cloud cover will allow that sun to get through. I think we'll see more blue than gray in the sky overhead. The storm system north of us generating the wind, and the clouds will stay north. It's going to work to pull in those south winds, though, and make for a milder Thursday as a result. High temperatures, low 50s today. A little warmer tomorrow. We're talking upper 50s, a little less wind, too. So Thursday looks a whole lot better. In fact, I think by far the most pleasant day of the week. Weekend itself does feature rain and definitely a cool down to something a little more mid or even late November-like with those temperatures. 33 that morning commute temperature, brisk winds, some sunshine, winds around 16, gusting to around 30 miles per hour. The day planner showing all the wind we're going to be dealing with throughout the day. 25-mile-per-hour winds. Fair amount of sunshine already this morning. We see some of those thin clouds, but also some sunshine already. Our lunchtime around 46 degrees. High temperatures around 50 today with sunset at 4:41. So 50 degrees today, stay in the 40s right through tonight, which is really incredibly warm for this time of the year. Typically, we would be in the 20s overnight. 40 is the seasonal average for this time of the year for high temperatures, and will be warmer than that for overnight temperatures. So the gusty winds today ushering that warm air. Warm front blows right past the area. We'll have a breezy day with some sun even behind that front. Tonight, a few extra stars. We'll have still a fairly chilly breeze around 15 to 20 miles per hour. And tomorrow, not as windy, but definitely noticeable breeze that keeps the warmth pumping into the area with those southwest winds around 15 to 20 miles per hour. Weak cold front moves through the backside of that system, so we won't be quite as warm on Friday, but a little less wind as well. And a fair amount of sunshine helps us at least reach the mid-40s. And from there, we do cool down furthermore heading into the weekend. We do have some 30s and low 40s. And again on Sunday. Now it looks like Sunday instead of Saturday may be the most unsettled day of the week. The next chance of rain as the system will be held off maybe an extra day, holding off until Sunday. And that'll be the coolest of the next several days. 38 the expected high by then. For today, though, 50 degrees for Wednesday in Rochester, 51 in Preston, 56 in Mason City. Mostly sunny, south winds at times 35 miles per hour. Tonight, kind of a chilly breeze, but partly cloudy, 43 overnight. 7-day forecast, again, 57 tomorrow. Cooling off to the weekend, mainly snow, rain, but there may be a little snow that is mixing in at this point. Nothing shovelable out of that, but typical elements of a mid-November weekend. But still heading into Thanksgiving week. It looks like a drier week ahead and maybe a few more 40s, so pretty reasonable weather.
And Ted, you get some post-birthday sun as you enjoy those cake leftovers.